Hi students, ray optics problem number 11. A concave lens is in contact with a convex lens. The ratio of magnitude of their powers is 2:3. Their equivalent focal length is 30 centimeter. What are their individual focal lengths? So very interesting question and very easy also. You can look at the diagram now. So I have combined two lenses. The first lens is a convex lens and its focal length is taken as f1. So f1 is positive. So f1 is positive. And the second lens is a concave lens and its focal length is taken as f2. So f2 is negative. Now if you take the reciprocal of f1, it will be equal to what? The power of the first lens. So power of the first lens is equal to what? The reciprocal of the focal length of the first lens. Similarly, the power of the second lens is equal to the reciprocal of the second lens. Now what is given here? The ratio of their powers. The ratio of their powers, P1 is to P2. So I will write P1 divided by P2. So this is equal to 2 by 3 in magnitude. 2 by 3 is only the ratio of their magnitudes. But one of the lenses is having a negative focal length and negative power. Therefore here you have to write a negative sign. So this is very, very important. Okay. So P1 by P2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. And this is also equal to what? F2 by F1. So this is the very, very important information you must understand. Have you all understood or not? The ratio of the powers is given as 2 by 3 actually. But why I have taken minus 2 by 3? Because the focal length as well as the power of this concave lens is negative. So that is the first idea. Everyone must keep it in mind. Then also it is the reciprocal of the ratio of the focal lengths. So P1 by P2 is also equal to what? F2 by F1. So I can equate F2 in terms of F1. Okay. Therefore, what is F2 is equal to minus 2 by 3 F1. So this is minus 2 by 3 times F1. So this is very, very important relation between the focal lengths of the two lenses. So using this only we have to determine their individual focal lengths. Okay students. Now when two lenses are kept in contact, the combination is going to act like a single lens. Okay, that is called equivalent lens. So the focal length of the combination is denoted as F equivalent. So if I write the power of the equivalent lens is equal to the power of the first lens plus the power of the second lens. Then power is expressed in terms of the focal length. So 1 by F equivalent is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Okay. This F equivalent, what is the equivalent? Their equivalent focal length is 30 centimeter. That means this F equivalent is equal to what? 30 centimeter. So 1 by 30 I can write. So here 1 by 30. 1 by 30 is equal to 1 divided by F1 plus F2. In place of F2 what I can substitute is what? Minus 2 F1 by 3. Is it not? So minus this is 1 divided by instead of F2 I will substitute 2 by 3 F1. So this is now 1 by 30 on the left side. This is equal to 1 by F1 minus. So 3 by 2 F1. 3 divided by 2 F1. So this is once again equal to 1 by F1. The denominator I will keep it as 2F1. Okay, 2F1. So this will become, first factor will become what? 2 minus 3. Okay, 2 minus 3 divided by 2F1. I have taken LCM. So the left side is now 1 by 30. you can do by any shortcuts. Okay, simply I am writing all the steps required. Okay, for making easy understanding. So I take the LCM 2f1. So it becomes 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2f1. So 1 by 30 is now equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1 divided by 2f1. So this implies 2f1 is equal to minus 30. So this implies what? 2f1 is equal to minus 30. Therefore, f1 is equal to minus 30 by 2 is what? Minus 15 centimeter. So this is the focal length. f1 is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Okay. Now what is f2 equal to? Therefore f2 is now equal to minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 times f1. So this is equal to minus 2 by 3 into minus 15 into minus 15. So minus into minus will become plus. So f2 is now equal to 30 divided by 3. Okay, this implies f2 is equal to 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. So actually we have assumed the first lens as convex and the second lens as concave. So we are getting the reverse. So that means what? The first lens is concave and the second lens is convex. So that the combination is having the focal length of 30 centimeter. So now we get the answer. Therefore, okay, f1 is minus 15 centimeter and f2 is plus 10 centimeter. So which option is the correct one? You see here minus 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So that is the right answer. So option, okay, therefore option D is the correct answer. So it is based on the concept of combination of two lenses. So f1 is equal to minus 15 centimeter and f2 is equal to plus 10 centimeter. Okay, the concept is the ratio of the powers is given, we convert it into the ratio of the focal lengths and we relate the focal lengths of the two lenses and find the answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.